Okay, my peeps, let's make some cute and quick peppermint marshmallows. So I'm using foam marshmallows, but you can use marshmallows made out of clay. It's perfectly fine. So I got these candy canes from Hobby Lobby. They come in a bag with like 20 of them. And it's I always get them every year because you can use them for different things. So I just cut the little part that hangs where holds the hook. I cut that part off because I didn't want that in my candy and my peppermint. So I just like stabbed my marshmallow and made a hole so that the candy cane fits in there, and I put a little bit of tacky glue in there. You could use hot glue. I use tacky glue. So then I got my crushed up fake peppermint candy cane that I made, and you could also buy, if you don't want to make it yourself, you can also buy some from Playco 3. They have the crushed peppermint fake clay you can buy. So now I'm using my mixture of Mod Podge cork and paint, and I'm gonna dip my marshmallows in there to give them the look of chocolate. And then after I do that, now you want to make sure that you get most of the extras off, because if not, it'll leave a big puddle on the bottom of your marshmallow, and you don't want that. So now I'm just taking my fake crushed peppermint, and I'm just gonna sprinkle that on top of the wet fake chocolate, so we can have chocolate peppermint marshmallows. That's what I should have said at the beginning, but anyways, yeah, so we're gonna have some chocolate dip peppermint marshmallows when we're done. And I just think that the little candy cane just, gives it a little extra. You don't have to use a candy cane if you don't have it. You could just use a stick or a toothpick and paint it, or even a piece of paper straw. Whatever you have is fine. I'm just using what I have, and making another one so you can guys see the process, which is pretty easy. Like I said, that's Mod Podge cork and paint. I used what kind of paint I used here? I used a dark color. I think it was called burnt umber. You could use burnt umber or chocolate sprinkle, or they have a lot of nice dark colors that you can use. So any dark color that you have will work with that. And I like to make a bunch of that mixture, not just save it. Make sure you put it in a tightly covered container, and it'll last for a while. And then when you're running low, you just make you some more. But anyway, press down those peppermint pieces using a stick. Don't use your finger because it's just going to get stuck on your finger. So there you go. That's our marshmallow, our chocolate dip marshmallow. Oh boy, our our chocolate dip peppermint marshmallows. All right, guys, and they look so cute, and they'll be perfect for your tier tray decor. If you make I will make about 4 or 5 of them, and that should be good. See, like this, it looks good in a little bunch like this. And there you go. Don't they look cute and yummy? Talk to you soon. Bye.